This is a plywood board. It has fire retardant properties and it is unbeatably strong. But how is it made fire retardant? And why is it unbeatably strong? Let's ask Greenply how Green Defender is manufactured. First, quality logs are carefully selected and cut into required sizes. The thick skin around the block is then removed by using a debarking machine to ensure uniformly thick and smooth veneers. The blocks are then peeled off using a state-of-the-art spindle-less peeling machine. Then the veneers are sent to the tenderizer machine to make them more flexible and stress-free. For a few hours, these veneers are dipped into a hot water tank containing a fire-retardant chemical solution. The tenderized and treated veneers are then passed through a mechanical dryer under controlled temperature for uniform drying. The veneers are conditioned for 24 hours to retain 6 to 8% moisture. Then, all the layers of veneers are composed to 8 feet by 4 feet sizes with the help of a core composer machine to avoid overlapping and core gap problems. The composed core veneers are then sent to the assembly section and are passed through a sophisticated 8 feet glue spreader machine. A special chemical is mixed with this glue to make the product fire retardant. It's time to rough cut the plywood. The boards are cut to perfection to give them a precise rectangular shape. After rough cutting, the plywood boards are passed through a calibrator machine to achieve uniform and smooth finish. The boards pass through an 8 feet glue spreader to add the face veneers to them. To ensure greater penetration of resin for a stronger bond, the veneers are pre-pressed under a fixed pressure for a certain period of time. The stacks of the pre-pressed plywood are then taken to the hot press section for curing under controlled pressure and temperature. Now, the plywood is treated by dipping it into a solution of fire-retardant nanochemicals, which makes it not just completely fire retardant, but also borer and termite proof. Once the treatment process is over, the boards go to the printing section equipped with wax-based printing technology. A special kind of ink is used to prevent piracy. But it doesn't end there. These veneers are then rigorously tested in our laboratory to ensure that they are indeed fire retardant. Step 1. Fire penetration. The first test determines whether every millimeter of the Green Defender plywood takes twice as long to burn than other plywood. Step 2. Flammability. The next test checks whether it takes at least 30 minutes for a flame to burn across one end of a 16mm Green Defender plywood board to the other. Step 3. Rate of burning. The third and final test checks how long it takes for a Green Defender plywood board to burn completely. Finally, the end product is ready for packaging and delivery. BWP grade adhesive confirms to IS 5509, boiling water proof, borer and termite proof, 10 years replacement warranty, emission level as per E1 standard. Now, you've got all your answers to how Green Defender, India's only marine-grade plywood with fire-retardant properties, is manufactured.